What is up, everybody? This is another one of my other videos, and now I'm going to show you how to build my Lego vending machine. Yeah, this is the almost last one of the other cool creations. So let's get started on it. First, you're going to get a 4x4 platform. You're going to know, if you want, you can put in legs under it. You can put in legs under it. Next, what you're gonna get is one of these two, and it has a great design. Also, you can put in colorful, and then you place that there. You're gonna get two of those, and you place them like that. Then next, you're gonna get one of these, stack it up 3 times, and then put a slide there. And put that on whichever end. Next, you're gonna get a 2x2 brick. Yeah, or you can put in a 2x2 platform, or 1x2 plates like that, or you can replace the pieces. Stack one stud 2 times and one. And then put a slide on the one that only has 1 stud. And then put it like this pattern if you're facing this way. You're facing this way, put it backwards. And then you just place that there. Now you're going to get one of these pieces. Make sure it's in the correct order. When you're facing this way, like that. This way, like that. And then you place that right like this. There. You place that like that. And then next, you're going to get one of these, stack it up 2 times, then leave a hole. Leave a hole right there. And then wait. Next, you're going to have to get a 1x3, but this is going to be like a weird piece. Yeah, it's going to be a weird piece, but it's a 1x3, which is going to angle like this way, to go one corner to like that. Yeah, or 2x2. You gotta leave it like that. It's supposed to be left like that. Then you put this stack it out 2 times, like that, and then you put this where it'll hold us facing on the slide. And there. Then you're gonna get one of these. You have to build one of these, a 2x4, like that. And you're gonna slide like 2x3 slides. Then you put in one of these. Oh, and then you slide it then there. Oh, sorry, I'm having some technical difficulties. And there. And then you get a 4x4. It doesn't matter if it has to be a slide. And then there. You got yourself a vending machine. And it dispenses 3 sodas. First, when you hear it click, that means you put it back. Then the soda will come out down there. Then you put it on like this. When you hear it clank, another soda fell. And then pull it all out, and then the last soda comes out. It's very cool. Yes, so if you want to, you can find one of my other Lego creations. Like, you can find the bench, the toilet. Oops. The toilet. my personal fave, a TV. You can find a TV, bench, couch, or whatever. The vending machine I did. And also the mini car. Where's the mini car? First I got that in here. And the mini smart car. That one.